welcome everyone. So I wanted to make a quick video right now just talking about why Born to Trade FX. Some of you may have heard about us from social media. We post a lot of results on there. Make sure to go follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you haven't. Some of you may have heard about us from a friend or maybe just from online in general. So what I wanted to do is just fully cover today who we are, what we're about, and what we're doing for the industry. And so what I'm going to talk about is, first of all, when you do get access to our academy here at Born to Trade FX, you're going to get an A through Z on what you need to know to become consistently profitable in the Forex market. You're going to have access to our CEO's trading plan, Mohammed Jamal. He's a yearly 7-figure earner in the market. And you're going to get access to all of our education in the academy, plus our Born to Trade software that we actually had programmers specifically design it so it's linked to our broker's live feed connection. So you're actually able to see where the market is moving real time, and you can see where the banks are pushing the money. And then there's actually a video on that too. Make sure to check out our page. We also do have a video on Kangaroo tails and big shadow alerts. So this is a software that we specifically program to search the market for the most profitable ones, and our traders know which criteria to take for those. So we do have alerts for that as well. And then we do also offer a trade copier for serious investors that I'll talk about here in a little bit. But so that's what everything that's included in the academy, and I'm going to cover it real quickly for you and go more in depth on each one. So first of all, you're going to get access to our flagship software, the Born to Trade FX and Born to Trade Indices indicator. Like I said, this is what's going to help you predict where the market's heading here. So you can see at the chart over here, the pound was very weak on the 15-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour, and it looks like the US dollar was pretty strong. So we could tell that we should be looking for sells on that pair, GBP USD. And so it helps us, along with other confluences, maybe like trend lines and support, Fibonacci. We teach all that in our academy, but when you could combine it all together and have multiple confluences, your percent and your probability of winning that trade goes up significantly. And that's how we create consistently profitable traders when they have the right risk to reward ratio. Same thing for indices as well down here at the bottom too. We can see where the market's heading. Indices tend to move in trends, so we can tell if it's going to be an uptrend or downtrend trend for the day. So it really helps us trying to create specific strategies for the day too. Now we do have another video on that, so make sure to check out our YouTube page. Next is live trade ideas. So we're going to send out real-time trade ideas from our team of educators during all 3 major trading sessions. So there's London, New York, and Asian. We know we have international students and people all around the world, and so we want to cater to everyone's needs here, and everyone trades different sessions. So we want to be able to at least call out a couple trades during those sessions throughout the week to help out traders. This shouldn't be anything. This is something that's optional. It's not financial advice. Don't think everything's always going to take profit, but it's there for ideas, because we know obviously you can't be watching the market 24/7, especially if you have another job. So we're kind of here to help call out different trade setups in case you don't want to miss something, because a lot of our traders trade the same setups. So we want to just alert you for that too. And you can see over here was a picture from one of our New York sessions trading gold. Now, next is going to be our trade copier. I know a lot of people are interested in this. This is for serious investors only. You get to copy these same trades as our master trader, our CEO, the one who is a yearly 7-figure earner, and our software will calculate the correct lot size for your account. Now, the minimum that we're requiring is $750, just due to market volatility. Obviously, there will be some drawdown when we're trading, so we want to make sure that there's a deep enough cushion with what we're doing. Now, we do have a software that's going to calculate the correct lot size for you to take on your account, because if you're looking over here at this picture right now, obviously this is over 300 lots total on those 2 pairs. Your account will be nowhere close to that. We'll be able to scale it down to a very manageable size, or maybe it's 0.03 instead of 300. So your account will grow slowly, but it's going to compound while you're making money. You may be having this account go while you're trading on a live account, practicing your strategy. So we want our traders to have multiple sources of income and really never have to worry about money. We want them to become consistently profitable in the markets. So if you are interested in that, please make sure to reach out to our support team, and we can see if you qualify. Next is Kangaroo and Big Shadow Scanner. So we have a program software that's actually going to scan the markets for the most profitable Kangaroo tails and big shadows. If you don't know what that is, go take a look at our video that we have on YouTube. But what that looks like is right here, it's going to be sent to your Telegram. They send out every hour that there actually is a profitable one. And you can see this one was sent out at 3 a.m., so right around London session, our time here in America. And you can see it created a big shadow here, and it fit all of our criteria that we do look for, and all of our students know what the criteria is already. And you can see this trade here, I blew it up on TradingView. It moved over 264 pips just within that week. Now the market could open and keep pushing down farther here too. But then you can see September 18th at 3 in the morning. This was September 18th at 3 in the morning. That trade was placed right here. So all of those trades, not all of them will always take profit, but a lot of them do run for a huge amount of pips. And it's nice because we know people are working and can't always be watching the market. So this is another way where it can kind of alert you if there's a good trade setup or potential one. So you could check the market just from your phone real quick. And we do even send a picture so you can kind of see if it looks like a good setup from there too. So that's our scanner. Next is our trading plan. This is something I am super excited about. I worked very hard for a while to create this. And basically what it is I call it our Born to Trade FX cheat sheet. It's how to cheat the markets. It's going to help you create a consistently profitable trading plan. And I'm going to quickly go over it. I can't give you access to all of it right now since you're not officially a student. But basically what it looks like is one of the pages on there is going to actually tell you if you're trading a Forex pair and your account size is $1,000, it'll tell you the exact lot sizes you should be taking for that pair to not over leverage. Same thing for indices, same thing for all the different ones, and then also commodities too. If you trade gold, oil, anything like that, we're going to tell you the exact lot sizes that you should be taking that are a healthy amount for your account size. And then next we actually have, this is my favorite, it's a calculator. So basically it'll tell you how much money per pip on each pair. So for example, you can see XXX US dollar. If you're going to trade the British pound versus the US dollar and you're going to take a 0.1 lot size, it would tell you how much money that is per pip. So what you can do is you can copy this number here, put it down here and paste it. So lot size calculation per pip. And then you can put the number of pips that you're looking for. So let's say you're going to take one of our Kangaroo tails and you're like, I'm going for 100 pips of profit and I want to risk maybe 25 pips. So you put those numbers in here and it'll tell you you're going to profit $1,000. And then when you put 25 in, you'd be risking 250. So then it would tell you your risk to reward is 4 to 1, which is a really good risk to reward. And this is for all the FX pairs, a couple of the exotics, all indices, some of the commodities. I even put Bitcoin. And if you do trade US stocks as well, I put that in there too, like Amazon, Apple. And these calculations are for our 3 main brokers that we recommend here, Hugo's Way, KOT Forex, and Prosperity FX for the time being. And then next, we actually will tell you if your strategy is consistent or not. It's called trading expectancy. It's a calculation that shows you what the typical profit for each trade is placed. So you can tell if it's negative, that strategy is obviously a loser. If it's positive, that strategy is a winner. So the calculation combines how many trades are typically won with the average loss and on the losers, and then on the average gain on the winners. So you can see here our expectancy for this first strategy was $875 per trade. Our risk to reward is 1.5. And what our traders will do is just put their numbers in here, plug and play. And you can see the second strategy that they were testing wasn't as profitable. Their risk to reward was lower and their expectancy was only $320 per trade. So they can play around with that and create a really consistent strategy with it. And then this is by far my favorite part. You get to actually kind of see the bigger picture. And this is what we want to help traders do, because a lot of traders, the reason why they lose is because they over leverage. And so what we want to do is we're going to show them, hey, if you have $1,000 account, we're going to make them create a weekly pip goal that they want to take. And then they're also, this will be easy. They'll be able to put in the lot size that they're going to be taking. And they'll just refer to the other page that we showed you with the lot size per account. And then it'll actually tell them what their weekly account growth will be. And then what I love is it's going to show them what their account size will be in 1 month, 3 months, and then in a year. And what I did is I added in a compound calculator factor in there. So they'll actually show you what your account will be. Because as you keep growing, if you're trading that $1,000 account and it gets up to 5,000, you can take a bigger lot size. So your account, you can keep compounding it, compounding. So you can actually get bigger and bigger. So I added those, that programming in there as well too. So you can see where your account will be at when it's getting compounded. So that's the Born to Trade cheat sheet there. I'm very excited about that. That's going to be only access to anyone that is members of our academy. And then lastly is our support. We have access to live classes twice a week for Q&A and assistance using our indicators. And we also have access to the Born to Trade FX group chat, where we're going to have chart markups and people can actually post their chart markups in there. We'll give them feedback. We're here to help. We were in the same shoes that you were, whether you're a beginner and you just heard about Forex and you want to learn more about it, or you're an advanced trader, but you just feel like you're not at that point where you're really consistently profitable and you're like, hey, I kind of want to quit my job, but I feel like I'm not there yet. Well, let us take you to the next level here. We'll help you with having multiple streams of income, and we're even potentially rolling out more of like a financial advice kind of place too. Besides that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video here. Please give us a like and subscribe. We're going to keep posting out content more and more. We want to provide value to you guys, and we hope to see you guys on the other side. Check the links down below. There's going to be a link for our website and all of our social media pages on there too. And we hope to see you guys in the academy and on some of our videos. We want to help you become a consistently profitable trader. Thanks, guys.